Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share all my favorite Amazon jewelry purchases with you guys. I love videos like this. I watch them all the time on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram, wherever they are. I love Amazon purchases in general. Today it's going to be dedicated to all the jewelry that I've bought. I have a lot of earrings. Earrings are probably my most favorite jewelry piece to wear, so that's why I have a lot of them. But I have a really good picks here, so if you want to see all my favorites, then just stick around. So I got you guys really close so you can see the jewelry. I'm going to be doing earrings first because that's the biggest category, or that's what I have the most of, so I'm just going to get that out of the way. My favorite type of earring is a really dainty hoop like this one. I really like this type of earring as well, the type that just connects like this. So this one here is gold and it has rhinestones on the front, and then it has rhinestones right here in the back facing forward. So it looks like it's rhinestones all around. That's what I really like about this. And they're a really good size. They're not like Huggies and they're not huge hoops. I love these because they're everyday type of earrings. The next pair of earrings is very similar. It has the same style of rhinestones like this, and then as well as in the back facing forward. These are silver. They're a little bit bigger and they have this type of clasp. You push it and it opens up. This is probably the biggest hoop that I own. I don't really like big hoop earrings. I'm just super paranoid that I'm gonna stick my hand in it and I'm gonna rip my earring out. So I generally stick to really small hoop earrings. And I like this size though. I think it's a really good size. It's not too small. You can see it when I have my hair down. You can still see them. This next pair is one of my favorites. I've been really into super chunky gold hoop earrings like this. I just think these are so pretty. These are one of my favorites. This is what they look like on. I just think these are so pretty. I love these type of earrings. I'm always on the hunt for something super chunky, really big gold earrings like this. I just think they're so pretty, and these are not too heavy. My ear is pierced super low on my ear. I don't know if you can tell. So it's really important that I have lightweight hoop earrings. This next pair is my absolute favorite. Out of all of these pieces, this is probably the piece that I wear the most. I wear these almost every single day because they're just the perfect, simple little hoop that goes with everything. They're a silver little chubby hoop. They're really cute, they're simple, they go with everything, very easy, nice everyday earring. These have some weight to them. I don't know if you can tell, but these are a little bit on the heavy side, but still very comfortable. I just love these. I wear them all the time. I feel like they're just perfect. They're just the perfect everyday earring for me. This next pair, they're spiky, and I usually like to wear these on the second hole, and I'll show you why. Because I feel like if you put these on your first hole, you don't really see the detail. So if you wear them on the first hole, you can see that you don't really see the little spiky detail of the earring unless you're looking to the side. And that's why I like to wear on the second hoop, because I feel like on my ear you can see the little spikes better when it's on the second one instead of the first one. So this is generally how I would wear it. I would put it on the second with the hoop, a simple hoop. So this is how it looks like if you stack them with the first hoop that I showed you, and then I'll show you with the second, with that bigger hoop that I have. So this is what it would look like with this one. I just think it's a really cute little edgy earring, little decor. These are in rose gold. I don't have a lot of pieces that are in rose gold, but I like to have some because whenever I'm wearing pink or peach or any like warm tones like that. I like to have a rose gold. I just think that it complements it. So, and it's always good just to have different type of metals in your collection, just to switch it up. And I just think that these are so nice. The other rose gold pair that I have, I got a really long time ago. These are rose gold, but they have a yellow stone. I just thought that the combination was really pretty, having the rose gold with the yellow stone. I love wearing this when I have yellow on. If you're wearing yellow, these are just so pretty. They just go so well. I don't know if the camera is picking it up or if they just look like a regular rhinestone color, but they are yellow. And I just think that that's really, I just love the color yellow, the mustard color. I just think it's so pretty. So I like that I have these here for whenever I wear my mustard colored stuff. I have a really nice earring to go with it. Okay, so this is the last pair that I have. They're kind of like that other one where it's an illusion of more than one hoop. You can see there. I thought these were cool. These are technically, I think these are considered Huggies because they're really small. Here's what they look like on. These look really nice on the first or the second hole, depending on how you want to style them. These are a really good pair. Like I said, technically these are Huggies, so they should hug your ear, but like I mentioned before, my ear is pierced way down here. My mom pierced my ears when I was a baby, and she pierced them way down here. And then I pierced my own ears on the second hole when I was like in middle school, which I had no idea what I was doing. So those are all messed up. And I also did my third one. So they're just all ugly. So whatever, you know what? Who cares? Moral of the story, don't pierce your own ears. Just go to a professional. I have 3 necklaces for you guys. This is the first one. It's super dainty, very minimalistic, which I love. I love jewelry like that. I love these type of pieces. And this one is in gold, and it just has that little stud in the center, and you can see that it's fixed on the chain, so it's always going to stay centered. And that was one of the things that I really liked about this specific necklace. I'll insert pictures of me wearing it. It's super, super sparkly, but this is what it looks like on. I don't know if you can see it. So you can see it's just really plain, very simple. I love it. And since I love that one so much, I got it in silver as well. So this is what it looks like in silver. I really like that one. It's very sparkly. It's so pretty. So I guess technically that was just the same necklace. So I guess I only have 2 necklaces to show you guys. This one here is a pair. So it's a set. You get both of these. I wore these necklaces in my favorites video, favorites video. And look how pretty this little detail. I think that's so cute. I don't know if you can see it. That's a really cute little detail that I just noticed right now. It has like a little rhinestone right there. It's a nice little detail. So you can see this is the second necklace. Like I said, you get both of them. And this is really in right now, stacking jewelry like this. So it's really nice that you get both of them. And the chain is very sparkly. I really like that when you move, it just glistens. So I'm gonna keep this one on. And then the last piece that I wanna share with you guys, I've already been asked where did I get it from? And it is my Apple Watch wristband. They have a lot of different shades. The one I got is silver and rose gold in the center, because I have the rose gold watch, and I just think it elevates your Apple Watch to a whole other level. It just looks so much nicer. I've gotten different type of wristbands in the past, and I feel like this is my favorite one out of all of them. It's heavy. I like the way it feels. It's comfortable and super affordable. that is it, guys. That concludes the video. These are all my favorite Amazon pieces at the moment. Amazon is my favorite online store to shop on at the moment, so I will be having more favorites in the future. And so if you want to see those, just hit that subscribe button. Please like, comment down below. Comment what was your favorite piece. Let me know, out of everything that you saw, what was your favorite? I'm curious. And yeah, let me know. Thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you in the next one.